Happy Monday, everybody. Hope you had a great weekend. The weather, some was rainy, but a lot was warm, so I hope you got outside to do something fun. Today's book is Are Pirates Polite? From this picture, I'm going to guess not right at the moment. Pirates are unruly and pirates love to fight, but pirates still say please and thanks, 'cause pirates are polite. Pirates shout outside on deck while counting pirate gold, but use their inside voices when they're meeting in the hold. Pirates plunder lots of ships, but don't forget their duty. They always call out thank you for all their stolen booty. Sharing is what pirates do when they find any treasure. To make sure shares are equal, their parrots help them measure. Pirates' parrots can't be stopped from parroting and squawking. But pirates never interrupt when another pirate's talking. Not like the interrupting chicken. Pirates like their privacy when doing something private, so they knock on doors and don't barge in on any other pirate. Pirates think you're weird if you washed your face or hair, but they always show respect and never point or stare. It's made the flood. Quite a mess. While pirates are in battle, to push ahead is fine, but when it's time to board the boat, pirates wait in line. I think he might sink the ship. When pirates dine at dinner, they're never, ever rude. Even scallywags keep mouths shut while they chew their food. When pirates feast on chatter, they tried hard not to slurp, and they always say, "Excuse me," every time they burp. If a pirate bumps another, "I'm sorry," he will say, instead of "You rapscallion, get thee out from my way." That's a problem. Pirates love to duel with sword play of all sorts. But at the end they say, "Good fight, 'cause pirates are good sports." Oh, a shark party. Pirate manners: say please, use your inside voice, say thank you, share, don't interrupt, knock before you enter, show respect, wait in line, eat with your mouth shut, say excuse me, say I'm sorry, and be a good sport. It's an interesting little island. I hope you all have a wonderful Monday, and we'll see you tomorrow.